Welcome back to InvestoSphere, the ultimate hub for smart earning strategies, financial growth, and unlocking passive income potential. If you've ever wondered whether you can make real money using Google, the answer is absolutely yes. In fact, today we're diving deep into not just one or two, but 5 powerful and legitimate ways you can make money with Google without needing a massive budget, fancy degree, or even your own product. This isn't going to be your average surface-level video that just gives you vague ideas. We're going into real methods, real steps, and how real people are turning these strategies into full-time income streams. So grab a notebook, stay tuned, and let's break down how you can turn Google from a simple search engine into a serious money-making machine. Way number 1, Google AdSense, website monetization. Let's start with one of the most well-known ways, Google AdSense. This is a program by Google that allows you to earn money by displaying ads on your website or blog. But here's what most people don't tell you. This method only works if you approach it strategically. Step by step. Choose a niche with strong ad competition, finance, health, tech. Build a content-rich website. You can use WordPress or Blogger. Focus on SEO and keyword optimization so Google ranks your content. Apply for Google AdSense once your site has solid content and visitors. Once approved, ads will automatically show on your site, and you'll get paid when visitors click them. The key here is consistency. You're not going to make thousands overnight, but with regular traffic and valuable content, your AdSense revenue can grow significantly. Way number 2, YouTube Monetization Partner Program. YouTube is part of the Google ecosystem, and its monetization model is driven by, you guessed it, Google AdSense. How to get started? Create a YouTube channel focused on a valuable niche, education, reviews, how-to guides. Post regular, high-quality content. Grow your audience to at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Apply to the YouTube Partner Program. Once accepted, ad will be placed on your videos and you'll start earning revenue based on views and engagement. What makes this powerful is the snowball effect. One viral video can change your channel's future. Pro tip: use YouTube Shorts to gain rapid traction and increase your watch time. Way number 3, Google Opinion Rewards, micro-earnings. This method won't make you rich, but it's a simple and easy way to earn small amounts of cash for sharing your opinion. How it works: download the Google Opinion Rewards app. Fill out basic profile info. Google will send you short surveys based on your demographics and interests. Complete surveys and earn Google Play credits or PayPal cash. It's passive and takes little effort. A great side method while you work on bigger projects. Way number 4, Google Skillshop, earn by learning. This one is seriously underrated. Google Skillshop offers free certification courses in areas like Google Ads, Google Analytics, and YouTube. Here's the strategy. Take a course and get certified. Use your certificate to freelance or offer services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even LinkedIn. Offer services like running Google Ads for small businesses or analyzing their website data. You're essentially turning Google's free education into a high-income skill. Example: a Google Ads certified freelancer can charge anywhere from $50 to $150 an hour, depending on expertise. Way number 5, selling digital products via Google Tools. This is where creativity meets tools. Google Drive, Google Docs, and Google Sites can help you create and sell digital products without any overhead. What to do? Create ebooks, templates, spreadsheets, or guides in Google Docs or Sheets. Post them on Google Drive. Build a simple sales page using Google Sites. Promote your product using SEO, social media, or Google Ads. You can even integrate Google Forms for customer feedback or delivery automation. All of this requires zero physical inventory and minimal startup cost. And there you have it, 5 powerful ways to turn your time with Google into real, sustainable income streams. Whether you're looking for micro-earning opportunities or serious side hustles, the tools are already at your fingertips. The best part? All of these methods require very little or no upfront investment. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to apply what already works consistently. If you found value in this video, make sure to like, comment your thoughts or questions below, and subscribe to InvestoSphere for more in-depth strategies on earning, investing, and growing your financial freedom. Before you go, let me ask you this. Which of these 5 Google methods are you most likely to try first, and why? I'd love to hear your thoughts, and who knows, your comment might just inspire someone else to take their first step. Thanks for watching, and keep building your wealth one strategy at a time.